Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Audible application on your Android device. Audible is one of the most popular platforms for audiobooks, podcasts, and spoken word content. The first step is to open your Google Play Store on your Android device and then in the search bar type in Audible. Make sure to type in the Audible correctly and then once you search for it, look for the Audible Audio Entertainment application from Audible Inc. Tap on the install button to start downloading the app on your device, which may take several minutes. Once the application is installed, click open and then in order to get started with Audible, you can then go ahead and click continue. Sign in with your Amazon account's credential, or if you don't have an Amazon account, you can create a new Amazon account and get started. So that's how you easily download and install the Audible application on your smartphone or your tablets. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.